Now let's take a look on how to assign modules to students, using the favorite folder. We have 3 modules in the favorite folder. Now go to the student page. Select a group to assign the content. Scroll down to the module section. Click on the plus icon. Then select a module from the drop-down menu. Then click on Add. The module has been assigned to this group. Now let's assign a module to an individual student. First, select the student to assign content. Scroll down to the module section. Click on the plus icon. Then select the module. And click on Add. We can see that the module has been assigned.